Hi, guys. Welcome to another episode of Sip Happens. I'm Ishita.
I'm Aditi.
I'm Pranshi.
In this episode of Sip Happens, we'll be unboxing the mystery that everyone has been trying to figure out. They say girls want a 6 feet, blue eyes finance guy. But is it really true? So, in this episode, we dive deep into the Delulu versus standards debate. From love languages to lifestyle goals, we are laying it out for you. But there is a catch. We won't leave our men hanging. So grab your drinks and start taking notes because sip happens.
So, guys, let's talk about what women really want in a relationship. Because चाहिए क्या औरत को?
औरत को चाहिए पैसा गाड़ी महंगा घर बट क्या हमें ये एक्चुअली चाहिए इज अ क्वेश्चन दैट वी विल ब्रेक डाउन फॉर एवरीवन वाचिंग दिस एपिसोड
See, I think पैसा गाड़ी महंगा घर we can get it for ourselves if we work hard, really hard. So I think हमें चाहिए कि कोई हमारे साथ रहे all the time while we do get these things.
एंड
या
ऑल्सो पैसा गाड़ी महंगा घर भी कोई हमें दे नहीं रहा है फ्रैंकली लाइक इफ यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग अस तो भी मैं सोचूं बट नोबडी इज इवन प्रोवाइडिंग दैट सो या
Not
व्हाटएवर
in this economy.
या वेल अब मेरे को लगता है लेट्स गेट सीरियस अबाउट द टॉपिक एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी मतलब मेरे को ये लगता है कि रिलेशनशिप में अ वेरी बेसिक एंड जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है वो है कंसिस्टेंसी सो बिकॉज यार कंसिस्टेंसी इज द रीजन जिस वजह से हर चीज चलता है कोई भी रिलेशनशिप हो कोई भी इफ यू आर वर्किंग समवेयर देयर आल्सो यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट यू हैव टू शो अप डेली यू हैव टू डू योर टास्क तो मेरे को लगता है सेम रिक्वायरमेंट इज ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप एज वेल क्योंकि अगर आप कोई चीज एक दिन कर देते हो और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि उस एक चीज के बेसिस पे आपका रिलेशनशिप बहुत ज्यादा लंबा चलेगा तो नहीं दैट्स नॉट द केस यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट be it in messaging be it in calling be it in appreciating the other person you cannot be like कि हाँ उस दिन तो मैंने अप्रिशिएट करा था या फिर ओ ऑन दैट डे आई डिड दैट आप ऐसे गिनवा नहीं सकते हो चीजों को तो आई थिंक सो कंसिस्टेंसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी बेसिक विच बोथ men and women should take into consideration specifically men क्योंकि आई डोंट नो nowadays they are too busy as Zakir Khan said उतने काम भी नहीं होते जितने वो बिजी होते हैं तो या लाइक दिस इज माय टेक ऑन कंसिस्टेंसी व्हाट यू गाइस थिंक
भाई वो बिजी नहीं होते हैं एक्चुअली वो प्रिटेंड करते हैं वो बिजी होते हैं क्योंकि जब उनको कहीं और जाना होता है एक्सेप्ट अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के अलावा जब उन्हें कहीं जाना होता है तो उनके पास फुल टाइम होता है उनके पास गेम खेलने का फुल टाइम है दे हैव टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग बट द ओनली टाइम दे आर बिजी इज व्हेन द वुमेन आस्क देम टू गिव देम टाइम गिव हर टाइम सॉरी
But I recently watched this movie, Metro in Dino. There's this dialogue where one of the characters says, "Ki falling in love is okay, but you have to keep falling in love every day with the same person to make it love and not fall out of love."
No, but men
So you
nowadays
have
are
to
sleeping
put
with
their
another
first.
woman every day, so they cannot fall in love with the same person again and again, right?
they have all the time to fight with people on Reddit but they have no time to reply to their girlfriend's text like this
No,
is
and
the day
also they
this is
have
the
time
era
to scroll their Instagram, like random girls' pictures, but they will not see that one reel that you shared 2 months ago. Oh, वो
Because
तो
they're
मैंने
apparently
Instagram
busy.
नहीं चलाया ना.
आई थिंक सो ये इसलिए भी हो रहा है बिकॉज दे आर नाउ जस्ट टू कंफर्टेबल इन द रिलेशनशिप बट आई थिंक सो ये एक चीज है जो लड़कों को समझ के लेनी चाहिए कि कंफर्ट डज नॉट मीन कि यू स्टॉप लाइक डूइंग थिंग्स और यू स्टार्ट इग्नोरिंग स्टफ नो अगर हम आपको इतनी कंफर्ट दे रहे हैं कि आप अपने लेजर टाइम लेकर के हमें रिप्लाई करो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप रिप्लाई करना ही बंद कर दोगे लाइक डोंट डू दैट
But dude, you got to reply within 5 minutes of me
I
sending you a text. I mean, you got to reply before my anger makes to my group chat, right? Reply.
agree.
And if you have told
Baki,
me you'll call me, you call me. Not be like, oh, I forgot, I am busy. भाई क्या ऐसे तो सारी चीजों में तुम्हारा दिमाग चलता है बट तुमसे एक कॉल नहीं हो पाता मैं भूल गया भाई अगर तूने बोला है कि तूने मुझे 12 बजे कॉल करेगा तो एट 11:59 आई एम ऑल प्रिपेयर विद द एग्जिट प्लान्स बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट कॉल मी विद इन द नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट यू आर अ डेड मैन यू कैनॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू वॉन्ट मी टू डू कलेश एंड वेन आई डू कलेश यू आर लाइक मेरी मेंटल पीस खराब हो रही है तो भाई अपनी मेंटल पीस बचाने के लिए कॉल कर लेना
bro, also the fact कि हमारी मतलब ये जो जनरेशन है, वी आर सो मच एडिक्टेड टू आवर फोन्स. हम हमारे हाथ में एटलीस्ट आउट ऑफ 24 hours, except when we are asleep, we have our phones in our hand all the time. And if someone is giving the excuse that they were too busy, why nobody is busy to reply to a text? It literally takes seconds. पता है? And they will if they want to. But we cannot force them. But उनको अंदर से आना चाहिए ना कि someone is actually putting efforts to talk to me, so maybe let's reciprocate it. But नहीं,
Yeah, that
they
is
won't.
what girls want attention. Girls are attention hoggers. And no offense to girls, but that is how we are. So all we are asking a man is, we're not asking for a LV bag. You give me that, very good. But it is about the basic gestures. Like you text me खुद सामने से, you ask me about my day, and not like I have to wait the entire day to see if you are texting me or not, and at the end of the day I am only texting you कि भाई तू कैसा है, और उसके बाद भी you have no consideration कि तू reply करेगा, because you are busy doing work. 24 घंटे में तेरे को टाइम ही नहीं मिला है मेरे से बात करने का, भाई इतना बिजी है.
And I don't know. Their work is work, but our work is not work.
Yeah,
Their time is time, but
Agreed.
our time is not time. Like surprisingly, I don't know how that works.
they expect their girlfriends that we will spare all the time in this world for them. We will be awake until 3 a.m. हम सुबह 3 बजे तक जागेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका कॉल आ रहा है, और अगर उन्होंने कॉल नहीं किया तो हम सो जाएंगे बिना कुछ बोले. अगले दिन तो हम कहेंगे हाँ हो गया तेरा काम, हमें तो कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है, हम ही
And
सारा
the
टेम्परेचर उठाएं.
next day they'll expect us to be all nice and sweet and everything. And if we like pin that thing कि why did you do that yesterday, तो फिर तुम्हें हमेशा यही दिखता है, तुम्हें हमेशा झगड़े ही करने होते हैं. Like
तुम ही तो
seriously,
कलेशी हो,
yeah.
तुम ही तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो, तो भाई तू क्यों नहीं अंडरस्टैंड कर ले रहा है?
But also, I feel maybe the root cause of all this is not having enough emotional quotient. Because we as women, we feel things very deeply. We think about them. Like, agar we have to take a small decision, we'll consult 20 of our friends. We'll overthink it for like an hour or two. Ki, what should I do? And men, I feel like they just close their eyes and they take the major life decisions. Ki, and also the fact that I feel emotionally they're unavailable kabhi kabhi, because I don't want to be the only person in a relationship who is carrying the emotional load of this relationship. Because guys, I feel like teamwork is sexy. और अगर कोई आपके साथ है तो the relationship gets easy automatically. Like, I'm not saying it is always 50-50. There are hard days. Some days it's 80-20, 90-10, 60-40. But the fact that it takes two to make a team, I
Hmm.
think it takes both the persons इस
Right,
relationship को चलाने के लिए.
right.
And that is the problem with guys, They put 100% to everything they do, right? They put 100% at their workplace. They have to be the best. अगर थोड़ा सा fuck up हो जाता है, they're like, oh shit, we fucked up. But relationship for them is always secondary. They think, अरे भाई सॉरी बोल देंगे, मान जाएगी, क्या ही होता है, and all of that. They don't take it seriously, and I feel that is also a problem, because girls are like, we'll be angry for some time, and after that we'll be like, we tell ourselves, maybe I'm demanding, maybe I did not understand. We put ourselves in that guilt, maybe he's right. But guys, no matter what they do, they always think that they are right. They were busy at work, so what? Work is important to me. I cannot give you time if you expect this much time. Their answer to everything is like, I was busy. They don't understand the other person's perspective, and they're like, and when you tell them, it's like, huh, okay. They'll not say anything. They'll be like, वो भी they ignore only. उन्हें कुछ फर्क वरक नहीं पड़ता. So तुम ही अपना दिमाग खराब करते हो.
Exactly.
Agreed.
And also कि भाई चलो ठीक है, यू फक्ड अप इन अ रिलेशनशिप, तो अगले दिन भाई तू बी प्रिपेयर्ड कि कलेश तो होने वाला है. बट नहीं, उसके लिए भी ऑल्सो नॉट बी प्रिपेयर्ड. देन यू एक्सपेक्ट कि भाई हम तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, बट वेन यू स्टार्ट दैट टॉपिक, दे बी लाइक, यार अभी 2 दिन पहले भी सेम झगड़ा हुआ था, अभी सेम बात पे कितनी बार डिस्कशन करे, तो भाई तू
They will
ठीक कर ले ना.
exactly. They'll not focus on the fact कि 2 दिन पहले भी उन्होंने सेम हरकत करी है. अगर आप वो सेम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर how are you expecting कि हम गुस्सा होना बंद कर दें? Like
पता
we
है
also
the
have our
problem,
emotions and we have to deal with it.
हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Like me as a girl, I think if I'm having a fight with a guy or someone, my partner XYZ, I want the issue to be addressed ASAP. मुझे चाहिए कि मेरी तुमसे लड़ाई हुई है, let's talk about it so that it does not happen again. What मतलब how vulnerable I am in that situation and what are the things we should not repeat in future. लड़कों का क्या है, they'll give you the silent treatment कि अभी मेरा मूड नहीं है, आई नीड सम स्पेस, मैं बाद में बात करूंगा, एंड देन नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दे विल वेक अप एंड दे लाइक, हाय गुड मॉर्निंग, आई लव यू, कैसी हो ब्रो, व्हाट
I
अबाउट द
think
कॉन्वर्सेशन.
I think so. They are mostly like they shut themselves off because they are not open to having like some important or some tough conversation in the relationships.
Yeah.
They do not like they are escaping that conversation जब तक वो हो सकता है. And until unless लड़कियां 4-5 बार वो चीज को लेके नहीं आ जाएंगी, बहुत ज्यादा उस बारे में बोल नहीं देंगी, they will really try to escape it hard. Like मैं अगर निकल सकता तो मैं निकल जाऊं, अगर वो भूल जा रही है तो well and good. So I think so. This is what men do.
That is the problem with men. Men think escaping is the solution to bring peace in their life. But I don't think that is how it works. Maybe that works for men because
Men, right?
men,
Yeah.
men, very different people. Our emotions are very different. But when you are with a person, you cannot be saying that, this works for me, and if this works for you as well, that's all right. Otherwise, I can't change my ways. Because what Priyanshi said, like it takes two people to make up something. So you need to change your ways. Or bhai, agar, chalo, let's suppose you fucked up. Cool. Everybody fucks up at some point. But next day, at least be prepared to have a conversation about it. And agar, अगर तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड गुस्सा है तो भाई डोंट ब्रिंग लॉजिक टू इट. मतलब डू यू इवन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ स्टूपिड दैट मूव इज? Like the moment you bring logic, your girlfriend will bring the exit plans, bro. Because she had already made up her mind कि तूने कॉल नहीं किया बेटा, अब तो मैं तेरे को छोड़ के जाऊंगी. But then you're bringing logic. Oh, you don't understand.
Like what
Then
I
need
want,
to, have this thing where they hear the other person. And when I say they hear
right?
the other person, I mean actually hear. So when
Here,
I
yeah,
ask
right.
you something, what I was speaking about, you got the answer to that. Not like, हाँ बोल के उसके बाद तेरे को पता ही नहीं मैं क्या बोल.
Right. Like we actually want you to hear, like, and after that hearing is done,
And
like
do
say
something
something
about it.
sweet, say something nice to us, make us feel happier, make us feel nice about ourselves. Like I don't know what you have to say, figure it out, क्योंकि इन लाइफ बाकी सारी चीजें तुम फिगर आउट कर सकते हो, तो ये बहुत ही छोटी चीज है जो आपको फिगर आउट करनी है. तो फिगर इट आउट एंड से समथिंग स्वीट रादर देन डिफेंडिंग योरसेल्फ कि मैंने वो चीज इस वजह से करी थी, बिकॉज दैट रियली डजंट हेल्प. एंड देन वो फाइट को एस्केलेट करता है बहुत ज्यादा, बिकॉज देन द गर्ल विल आल्सो स्टार्ट डिफेंडिंग एंड द गाय विल आल्सो डिफेंड. So instead, when the girl is angry, like just listen to whatever she's saying and then at the end say something nice, say something sweet to her. And I don't think so. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि हम मानेंगे नहीं. If the partner says something sweet to her, हम तुरंत पिघल जाते हैं.
भाई
So like,
Guys, I
basic.
feel कि like if I'm upset over something, I would want my partner to sit there to listen to me, and I don't want him to give me logical explanations or put logic into it. भाई, you have to just sit, you have to be there and to listen to me ranting. मैं फालतू ही चीजें बोल रही हूँ, but you have to just validate those feelings कि हाँ तू जो बोल रही है सही है. And when I'm normal, maybe next day or other, you tell me कि bro, this is what you said and it should not be like this. I don't want logic, I want support. That's it.
Exactly. So when we are angry, you don't have any right to tell us that what you are saying is too emotional. What you are saying does not make sense. Because to me, it makes sense at every point.
at that point of time,
Bro, I think,
men.
men, लड़कों का दिमाग हमेशा फ्लाइट मोड में होता है. When I say this, it is only when we come talk about relationship. Because when it comes to everything else, उनका दिमाग 200 Mbps की स्पीड पे चलता है फुल ऑन. बट भाई रिलेशनशिप का जैसे ही कोई बात आती है, everything is out of syllabus for them.
उनका पेटेंट डायलॉग है कि let's not talk about the future and ruin the present. Let's be in the present. ना आगे का आगे देखेंगे. Let's not talk
अरे
about it.
भाई,
Bro, I need to
let's
talk
not
about
talk
it.
about the past and ruin the present. Let's not talk about future and ruin the present. भाई किसी
Let's
की
not
क्या
talk
बात है?
only, na?
Let's
Let's
not
Let's
talk
not
at
talk.
all.
talk only.
Let's not talk. Let's just sleep in the relationship. This
You don't
relationship will also sleep. Everything should sleep. Then end only.
you don't be in a
खत्म, टाटा,
relationship
bye
if
bye.
you can't handle one, bro. मतलब भाई क्या?
If you can't, but if you can't handle a real relationship, don't be in one. No one is forcing, because bhai, I'll be very honest. Girls are single by choice, and I don't think that's the same for men.
Men don't have a
Honestly.
choice. Men don't have anything. Moving to the next segment of the podcast, and as promised earlier, we'll not leave the men hanging. So we are here to validate all the feelings men also have because it's only fair to do that. So let's get into it.
I think so when sometimes we blame men that they're not expressive enough, that also comes out from the fact that they have been in a certain kind of social condition through since their childhood where they are taught don't cry, be strong, and they're taught to basically suppress their feeling instead of expressing it. And hence, silence is their default response, right? And that does not mean that they don't care about their girlfriend or they don't care about the partner, but they actually don't know how to handle such situations, and what they choose is to like stay silent or to take their time.
Yeah, because I feel men are too afraid to be vulnerable. Because as you mentioned, that is how they're conditioned. They have been labeled and boxed as providers. You know,
Hmm.
they are seen somebody who's strong, has a lot of strength. But that because of that, I feel they hesitate to ask for emotional support. And when a girl tells them something and they feel bad about it also, they do not express it. So their only way to deal with that situation is to shut off, which girls perceive as, he's being ignorant or he does
That
not
he
care
doesn't
about
care.
how I feel.
Yeah.
But I think it is basically because how differently men and women are wired. The way a girl expresses her feeling and a way guy expresses his feeling is very different. And I think as girls, we should also understand the difference in approach a
Different
person.
emotional rhythm which by which men and women deal stuff. Like men, they need their own time and space, and so we should consider that whenever we are in a fight or whenever we are in a situation where things are not right or not going according to us. So we should definitely understand that they come from a different emotional baggage and different emotional rhythm.
Yeah.
And also, I feel appreciation because we as humans, we love being valued, and society rarely gives that space to men.
Hmm.
So I think they would really like if their partners start appreciating the little things which they did, because at the end, those things also matter. Like if you're going out for a date or having food and they know that you're allergic to something and you have mentioned it like once to them, and then they bring out that thing, please don't give this to her. She's allergic to mushrooms, per se. So the little things, we need to appreciate it more.
Yeah, we need to be grateful for the
Right.
small things also.
And
I
talk.
because it's not about we do not care about the small things, but in our head it's like, इसमें क्या ही हो गया. But then I
Right. So
also
we
feel
forget appreciate
a
it.
lot of times what happen is a guy would be doing it just for you. He has not done it for anyone else in his life, but you have seen people doing it for you, so you
For
don't.
you, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
You
That
yeah.
is
don't value it
our
enough.
mindset,
Hmm.
but I think we also
Hmm.
need to change our approach and perceive things with a more
Hmm.
open mind. Because at the end, I feel for both men and women, of course, now both of us work, like, right? Girls are not like only solely sitting at home, but I feel, men have that are burdened with that one thought that I have to be, work,
Right.
I have to do this. So that
Hmm.
is something they already bear with them, the stress of work and all of that. Girls bear it too, but for men, because that is how society perceives them, as a provider. So that is the thought at the top of their head all the time. So I think we should also give them space, when it comes to work and be understanding. But at the end, it comes from both the parties. It cannot be like I'm
Right.
understanding all the time and
And
he's still not doing anything.
sometimes
Yeah.
when he shuts himself off in a relationship, I also think so. It comes from the fact that there's a fear of making the relationship worse or making the situation worse. They think that what if they try explaining some things to their partners and they won't understand it, or they may take it in a wrong way, which might escalate things. So in that scenario, also they shut themselves off and they don't speak a lot. And talking about vulnerabilities, I think so opening up makes them like too vulnerable. And what I think so in a relationship, what I have felt, if they know that the relationship is not very strong, or it's not going somewhere, or maybe like the woman is not providing him the space to open up, like they will not say anything, and then it will trigger the women ki, yaar, you don't tell me anything, you don't tell me anything. but it's actually you are not providing him the space to say things. So give him his space, give him his time. And I think so if he'll feel comfortable with you, I don't think so he'll not share. He will definitely share. But yeah, provide him with that
I
space
feel
where he's
on that,
comfortable and okay
yeah, on
sharing.
But
that,
also, most guys, they do not say this enough, but they need some kind of emotional safety. Like, however strong they might be to the world, they want that one person with whom they can open.
Right.
Maybe they can share what they feel or even cry because, and they most probably also do not do it because of the fear of being judged. What if I cry in front of her and she thinks I'm no longer the strong person or the provider? So that mindset also, because they are very hesitant in
to express,
opening up to someone. Yeah,
they are
expressing.
very,
Because society
yes, yes.
because the society has said it is an established fact that men should not cry and the ones who cry are not strong. But I feel like crying itself is a sign of you being strong, you able to project what you're feeling. So I think men should cry.
I'm, it's, yeah, men should cry. I mean, more, I am more into, expressing.
Expressing, like
Men don't
either by
express.
crying, by talking, or by
Yeah,
doing
and the
anything,
problem
just
is
Just
express.
that is
communicate it.
why
Yeah.
they are perceived as bad people, usually in a bigger picture, because they don't communicate. So there are 100 feelings that go in their head, their heart. But when it comes to putting them into words, they cannot do it. So I feel a lot of times, as someone, as a girl, if you're with a guy, it's like you need to, make that comfort level with him that he can open up to you. And men only open up when they feel emotionally safe and when they know
Secure.
that
Yeah.
they are not going to get judged. But for
Yeah.
men, I feel that they should be more, they should communicate more so that the other
Right.
person
So,
also knows what is going in their head. And rather,
yeah.
so that there is no fight and both of the parties are on the same page.
Like,
Because,
I think so both of them should come midway. Like,
yeah,
I know that it's difficult for men to like express and say things, but when you are in a relationship and you are with your partner, definitely, this is a request to all the men out there. Like, please speak up. We are here to listen. We'll not judge things. Like, just speak up because it will stop a lot more fights, which will end up happening if you don't speak.
yeah,
So please speak up. It's the most basic thing, and we expect you to speak. Like, and it's fine. Like, please do.
yeah. And for the
And I
girls,
read it
I feel,
somewhere.
sorry, yes, please, Priyanshi.
I read it somewhere that the most uncomfortable thing which you guys like if I'm in a relationship with someone and there is something which it's like the elephant in the room that cannot be discussed. So I think the most uncomfortable talks are the ones which should be communicated between two people because if you pass through that phase, you can talk about the
Anything.
uncomfortable stuff, you will talk about anything. So that
Hmm.
needs to be addressed.
Yeah, I feel, I think also men don't want to, make their women unhappy. Of course, not intentionally, but somehow,
Hmm.
in that process of trying to figure out how to make happy, they fuck it up more.
They are
Yeah.
failing.
Don't communicate at the
Sometimes they feel ki, yeah, it's my problem. I'll handle it. I do not want to stress you out. But you're not
exact.
stressing me out. Like, I'm here to listen. Like, you can say. And I'd be more than happy to actually listening as to what you're going through rather than being like, yeah, I can't tell, like it's my shit, let me handle it alone. No, that's not right. When you have thought of entering into a relationship and partnership with the other person, then you have to like be a little open because as the partner, we expect that from you.
More
Like it's a
things.
very basic
Yeah.
expectations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you tell us things, we'll not, have
Yeah. And
to
also the
react.
girls like give them space and give them
Yeah,
time so that
exactly.
they are
I
comfortable.
think for men, space is like a bare minimum thing. They need
Hmm.
a lot of space. And I'm not saying it
Hmm.
in a bad way, but they need
Hmm.
space and I respect that. It's all right. As girls, we also need space. But I think
Need space, right?
at times, you know, space, taking space is good, but also balancing that with your thoughts and how you communicate your thoughts. Like if you're not feeling something, just say it out loud. I think, and that is why as girls, we have that tendency to say everything
Say
out loud.
things, yeah,
And when
yeah,
somebody does not reciprocate in the same way,
reciprocate.
does not tell what is happening in his life, that is when things like, oh my God, he does not care about me, he's ignoring me, all of that pops in.
It starts pissing us off, like because we are being vulnerable and we are opening that side to you. So why can't you? But then, of course, they need their own space and time. So that's the reason they are not able to open up like in the way we do. So I think so it has to be balanced out in the relationship.
I
I
think
think
men are not bad people, honestly. They're really good people.
They're
I
not
know in
bad.
my
They're not
experience,
bad.
I have had lovely men, lovely friends,
Yeah.
everything.
Hmm.
But I think that is what my observation says, the way they
Hmm.
operate,
Hmm.
the way they, process their thoughts, process their feelings is very different. And as a girl, I cannot understand that if you don't tell it to me. So it's like
Hmm.
communication is something very basic.
Hmm. Hmm.
also, I feel maybe it comes down to just one single thing that men and women, we want the same thing. We both want the same thing. It's just that we're built differently. So our approach is different, but the end goal is same. Like at the end of the day, I'm not specifying genders, maybe a male, maybe a female. We all just want there should be one person we come home to. We're tired, we're happy, whatever feeling we have, we can just speak up to them and they're there to listen. No judgments, nothing.
Kalesh.
We need a comfortable space around us, men, women, everyone. Because I think दुनिया में already इतना drama है ना. I think we need a peace in that one person. And you're supposed to be my peace, not my Kalesh.
I mean, the thing is, if I come home, I want peace. And if he comes home, he wants peace
He
too.
wants peace.
So it's
Yeah.
like, but at the end,
Let's be each other's peace.
let's be each other's peace. Let's adjust and make things work.
Right. And I think so women, they also don't need to lower down their emotional standards when it comes to boys. Like, nahi, I'm not asking you, or we're not saying ki theek hai, like, do not expect anything,
Petty.
do. But I think so, see it from a different lens, wherein you are going halfway and being a little patient than already apprehending or assuming what he's doing, why is he doing that. So I think this is very important, which women should take note.
Yeah, I think, it's not about lowering your expectations from a man, but it's more about if you expect, you also need to reciprocate. You cannot be like, my man does 100 things, and then if he does not do one thing that I want, I will start a full-fledged Kalesh on it.
Yeah.
I mean,
You have to
at
be
the end, he's
patient with
also
things.
human, right? He also want you to support him instead of judging him for not doing that one thing. So having expectations is good, but then also have this thing of reciprocating and keeping up with the expectations he has.
Hmm.
I think that
Like
would make me
surprising him
happy.
now and then. Yeah, doing small little things as the जैसे वो करते हैं हमारे लिए, same way we should also like do small little things which we know that will make them
They
happy.
yeah,
Yeah, so
that's important to them.
that will add on to the relationship only. Like if they are happy, they'll try to make us happy,
Us
and if
happy,
we are happy, the relationship will be happy.
Happy wife, happy life. Sorry, happy girlfriend,
for
happy
them,
life.
happy husband, happy wife, and happy family.
Yeah.
Okay, so on this note, we end this episode where we discuss about what women want in relationship and what men want in relationship. Do like, subscribe, and share if you feel it.
Yes, guys, please show some love.
Okay, bye-bye.
Love you guys. Bye, bye, bye. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy.
Love you.